You come up to the junction, press the clutch down, you do into the second gear here. Now you know that you're coming from major to minor junction. Major to minor junction. If your speed not drop less than 10 miles, you can hold the brake, and if the road is quite big, you can hold the brake, make your speed up to 14, 15, 16, 17. Do the whole turning with the speed you bring it from the back with the brake only here. You don't have to press the clutch because your speed is already second gear and 20 miles here. You don't have to press the clutch here. Okay, but if you feel that while turning your road is a little bit narrow, or there's a traffic, or there's a car, or whatever it is here, clutch down. Okay, the previous patch finished. If you think that you keep going on 14, 15, but you already break the rhythm, so if you want to add that rhythm in second gear, you can add the clutch a little bit halfway. You don't have to leave the clutch fully up here. Your speed is still 12, 13, 14. You don't need to change the gear
whilst in second.
while in second gear. But you hold the clutch that your car's in your control. So you are using the second gear, how much speed you need here. Okay, if your speed drops down, more drops down, okay, there's a traffic coming up or whatever happened there, clutch down, first gear, and just don't leave the clutch fully up. Why we are not leaving the clutch fully up? Because in front of us it's a little bit traffic here. We are not moving freely, so you can hold the clutch. This is called clutch control. That's how you have to move. So you don't have to leave the clutch fully up here. Your speed is already less than 18 miles here. So in here, you can press with the clutch, you can play with the clutch here, like halfway up or down up there, or you can hold the clutch up to here. Because less than 18 miles, you're not doing coasting.
Okay.
So when you're turning, what you do, what your mistake here? You turn the wheel, you clutch down, you done the second gear, you just release the clutch suddenly. Might be the car is not appropriate according to the turning this much fully up here. You can hold the clutch a little bit down, let the car move. When the car comes into the free road and you can move freely, then you just leave the rest of the clutch here.
I understand.
You can hold the clutch halfway.
Right.